My name is Sandeep Jaitley and I'm a director of BullionPay Limited, a gold and silver streaming company. Streaming companies invest in gold and silver mines in return for a stream of future revenue or production. Because streaming companies are not exposed to operational risks, their shares trade at higher multiples than gold and silver mining companies. In May, Daryl Robert Schoon and I formed BullionPay Limited. Daryl is best known for predicting the 2008 financial crisis. On a test measuring predictive abilities designed by Professor Philip Tetlock, Daryl achieved the highest score possible, 0 deviation.
I'm Daryl Robert Schoon. In 2008, bankers bet the savings of depositors in Wall Street, casinos, and lost. And today, it's the same. Bubble valuations now exceed those in 2008. In 2018, most hope the financial crisis is over. It isn't. April 2018 was the worst start for U.S. stocks since 1929, the year of the worst stock market crash in U.S. history. In 1930, the U.S. started a trade war that reduced global trade by 2/3, that ended in the Great Depression. And now, in 2018, the U.S. has started another trade war. During the Great Depression, stock prices fell 90% and real estate prices 70%. If, however, 10% of a portfolio had been invested in home-stake mines before the stock market crashed, no money would have been lost. Between 1925 and 1935, shares of home-stake mines, the world's largest gold mine, rose 1,000%. Today, excessive money printing has again led to bubbles in stocks, bonds, and real estate. The global asset bubble is now $100 trillion. And because of inflation, central banks are raising interest rates, which will pop this enormous bubble, causing prices to plunge, leading to a liquidity crisis where investors must liquidate rapidly falling investments, causing prices to fall even faster. And gold and silver, the most liquid of all assets, will soar as liquidity evaporates. I met Sandeep Jaitley in 2009 at Professor Antal Fekete's Gold Standard University in Hungary, where we were speaking. He had graduated from Imperial College with a master's in mathematics, and at the time was managing a $30 million fund in London, trading equities and gold and silver derivatives. Later in 2009, Sandeep and I had a discussion in London about when the economy might collapse. At the time, neither of us knew. Today we do. In 2018, the endgame of credit and debt has begun.
By investing in BullionPay Limited now, you will provide a safety net for yourselves and others in the future. The time to invest in gold and silver is before the crisis. This is a first round raise of $5 million for 9.8% of BullionPay, securing a 49% stake in the output of the Los Angeles mine in Fresnillo, Zacatecas, Mexico. Expected annual profits of BullionPay Limited before taxes are $1 to $2 million, of which 5% will be paid annually as a dividend.
BullionPay Limited, an ark in uncertain times, is about to launch, and Sandeep and I invite you to join us on a voyage of safety and profit.